Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Barska Quick Access Biometric Rifle Safe. Barska is the best biometric long gun safe on the market. Barska is a well-known brand in the gun storage industry, and this biometric device is confirmation of that. For quick and convenient long gun storage, Barska's 2.5-second biometric scan is hard to top. Because it has 3 independent steel deadbolts and protective edges, no one will be able to get into this strong steel safe. In addition to the biometric enter, there is a secret keyhole for backup access. Barska has provided an emergency battery pack in case your battery runs out. Due to its narrower dimensions, it fits nicely in many tight spaces despite being a fairly spacious long gun safe. A number of pistols as well as 4 long weapons can be stored in this box. The internal diagram is straightforward and well organized. You can code 120 distinct fingerprints with this safe, considerably more than you'll ever need. This option, though, may be handy if you're looking for a gun or shooting club. For the price and size, this biometric gun safe is a terrific buy. This is a wonderful alternative if you're looking for a low-cost long gun safe. For details, let's watch more. Our second best rifle safes is Barska Biometric Rifle Gun Safe. The biometric fingerprint safe is larger than previous models, fitting 5 to 6 rifles up to 50 inches with or without scopes, optics, or shotguns nearly anywhere. It also features a second lockbox on the inside for storing bullets, handguns, money, and other valuables at home or at work. This safe box is tamper-resistant, pry-proof, and made of steel. It has a high strength and sturdy structure. Smart biometric technology saves 100 fingerprints, keeps firearms out of the hands of children, and prevents theft. Lock it up using the electronic keypad using your personal passcode or manually with the spare key. If you like, you may turn off the sound. Instantly unlock the safe with a dependable 2.5 seconds biometric scan for speedy firearm access in an emergency. Prevents youngsters and others from gaining access to the inside. If the batteries are changed, fingerprints will be saved in the memory. The gun security cabinet has 5 pre-punched mounting holes on the back and bottom for easy attachment to the floor or wall with attached bolts. Third pick in our list is QuickTech Biometric Larger and Deeper Rifle Safe. QuickTech's gun safe is a big biometric gun safe that can accommodate rifles, shotguns, and handguns. It's big and deep, so you won't have to worry about running out of room with your scopes on your guns. The biometric scanner can save up to 125 fingerprints and is more accurate than other biometric gun safes. It offers one-handed rapid access, so you can get your guns whenever you want. Because you never know when you'll need firepower, this is a wonderful alternative to have on a gun safe. The QuickTech Biometric Rifle Gun Safe is more spacious than typical biometric rifle gun safes, with a lockbox storing extra rounds, cash, a pistol, passports, and other vital documents. The safe is 14 inches wide by 13.8 inches deep and 57.2 inches tall, with ample room for 5 to 6 rifles or shotguns. The gun cabinet, 2 emergency keys, 4 anchor bolts for added protection, AA batteries, and lockbox keys are all included in the QuickTech Biometric Rifle Gun Safe. Overall, it's a good biometric gun safe for the money. Number 4 in our side is Langer V Biometric Rifle Gun Safe. If you are looking for a rifle safe that has ample storage options with an extra locker box to store 1 to 2 pistols inside, then check out the Langer Biometric Rifle Gun Safe. Up to 5 rifles, with or without scopes, can be stored in this container. The fixed wooden foam barrel will hold your guns even if you open the door hastily. There are 5 pre-drilled holes at the bottom and 3 holes at the back to mount it on the wall. All of the essential mounting hardware is included with the Langer safe. To protect your rifle barrel from scratches and dents, the interior floor is carpeted. A second locker box can be removed from the ceiling and used to store 1 to 2 handguns, ammo, magazines, and other goods. The safe can be accessed using one of 3 methods: a biometric fingerprint scanner, a 9-digit keypad code, or manual keys are all options. The biometric scanner stores 100 distinct fingerprints on a 500 dpi semiconductor chip. The device is comprised of a welded solid steel body with tamper-resistant inner edges in terms of construction. The entire body is composed of steel, providing maximum security from inquisitive eyes. Someone who enjoys opening the safe in the dark will find it difficult to do so. Number 5 in our top 5 best rifle safes list is VaultTec Biometric Gun Safe. The VaultTec Biometric Gun Safe is designed to protect rifles, pistols, and shotguns. It can even protect gun parts and other valuables. It is perfect for usage in the office, bedroom, home, or closet and can carry up to 5 to 7 long rifles and 6 to 8 pistols. It's strong, well-made, and durable enough to protect your guns from inquisitive eyes. The VaultTec Biometric Gun Safe is constructed of 14-gauge carbon steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coat finish that will last a lifetime. This is a gun safe that may be passed down through the generations. It's a reliable safe and one of the best long gun safes available. Multiple users can access firearms thanks to the high-resolution biometric scanner, which is large enough to view fast and can store up to 20 unique fingerprints. The auto-illuminating 8-digit keypad can be used to open the gun safe. If you're concerned about someone coming into your home and taking your complete gun safe, the VaultTec contains 4 strong steel locking bolts, inside hinges, anti-pry bars, and impact detection to give you the finest theft prevention possible. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.